Things are looking pretty exciting right now for MightyFly, a company that's quickly becoming one to watch in the world of advanced cargo aviation. They've just secured another $10 million in funding, bringing their total to $15 million so far, and it's all going toward pushing their futuristic hybrid eVTOL cargo aircraft even further. Investors are clearly seeing big potential here. Tim Che from 500 Global highlighted how autonomy could completely reshape the future of logistics, while Helen Lin from @One Ventures pointed out something many people don't think about. Labor and infrastructure are the two biggest costs in logistics today. Take those out or reduce them, and everything changes. That's exactly what MightyFly is aiming to do with its dual-use autonomous eVTOL platform. Their aircraft, called the Cento, is designed to deliver serious performance. It can carry up to 100 pounds, travel anywhere from 600 to 1,000 miles, and operate without relying on traditional runways. But what really makes it stand out is how it handles cargo. The Cento comes equipped with something called the Autonomous Load Mastering System, or ALMS. This system takes care of loading and unloading entirely on its own, cutting out the need for human involvement in one of the most labor-intensive parts of delivery. The aircraft can load cargo, fly it to its destination quickly and efficiently, unload it, reload, and get back in the air again with minimal downtime. On top of that, it checks a lot of boxes that operators care about today. It's automated, it produces significantly fewer emissions, it offers long range, and it doesn't depend on airport infrastructure. As a hybrid aircraft, it's been shown to produce up to 90% fewer emissions than small aircraft, and around 60% less than traditional ground delivery vehicles. Another big advantage is its flexibility. The Cento isn't limited to just one type of operation. It can handle middle-mile and last-mile deliveries in commercial logistics, and it's also suitable for defense-related missions, where speed and reliability are critical. Hybrid eVTOL aircraft like this could play a major role in transforming long-distance logistics, especially as governments push for more advanced unmanned systems. This latest funding comes on top of some solid progress from MightyFly. They've already completed more than 400 autonomous test flights and recently secured a special airworthiness certificate, allowing them to operate across multiple flight areas. And it's not just testing anymore. The market is starting to respond. MightyFly recently signed a $50 million 5-year contract with a healthcare diagnostics provider in California. That means the Cento will soon begin real-world operations, starting in California, expanding into Nevada, and potentially scaling across the entire country over time. This deal is a big deal not just for MightyFly, but for the entire industry. It marks one of the largest healthcare logistics contracts involving a new generation of fully autonomous aircraft. And it shows that this technology is moving from concept to reality faster than many expected.